Hello. I'm watching the birds. I just put the food out on the back lawn. My lawn is in quite a state actually because I do this every day, sometimes twice a day. And they're all waiting for me. Give me some food. So I get to see this every morning. And they come down. They're all in the hedge there. Sorry there's no sound effects, but I am indoors. Can you see them, Mother? Can you see my little birdies? Well, today they've got an apple, a piece of bread, bird seed, cat food, all the scraps go out on the garden. And you can guarantee that the food that is out there will be gone in about 20 minutes. I can see them there, look, I can see them. That bush that they are on there is a lilac, and of course the leaves fall off in the winter, but it's looking green again, and there will be some flowers. I like to watch them. They've got the water there. Sometimes they jump in it and have a good splash about. And the little ones are all sat in the lilac hedge at the moment. Maybe they're just waiting to come down. Oh, they're coming. They're coming. The picture's not so clear because I'm filming through double glazing. Whoops, there's a pigeon. We have wood pigeons here. Here they come. This is me, Queen. Life after money. Bird watching in my garden. Thanks for popping in. Doodle pip.